On 9/7/2016, one lady, Sushma Vaibhav Vishnu, aged around 55, the resident of Suparna, lodged her complaint that on 9/7/2016 at 21:00 HRS, her husband was shot by her son, Achyut Gaonkar, and fled away from the spot. In this connection, offence was registered. Accused was apprehended at his flat at Kapora, Kurchora, and he was placed under arrest. The clothes of the accused victim and all relevant exhibits were attached during the investigation. Accused is remanded to 6 days police custody. One weapon is also recovered, which is a firearm, and further investigation is in progress.
ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Victim is discharged today and he is at his residence. Statement of victim is also recorded.